Once upon a time they had some flair. Now they're tangled in despair, losing games they used to win. Chelsea's dreams are getting thin. Fans are crying in the stands. Coaches lost without a plan. Money spent but still they fall. Blues are crumbling like a wall. Chelsea can't find a net. Every match full of regret. Once were kings, now they crawl. Waking up to football's cruel. Star players can save the day, faltering in a disarray. Goals are ghosts just passing by. Chelsea leaves me wondering why. Fans are crying in the stands. Coaches lost without a plan, losing games they used to win. Chelsea's dreams are getting thin. Fans are crying in the stands. Coaches lost without a plan. Money spent but still they fall. Blues are crumbling like a wall. Chelsea can't find them yet. Every match full of regret. Once were kings, now they crawl. Waking up to football's cold call. Star players can save the day, faltering in a disarray. Goals are ghosts just passing by. Chelsea leaves me wondering why. Fans are crying in the stands. Coaches lost without a plan. Money spent but still they fall. Blues are crying